In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pitch in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make clean musical pitch changes without getting lost in the interface. Start by opening your web browser and heading to bandlab.com. This is BandLab's home for making music online, and you don't need to install anything. On the home page, click Log In. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option to speed things up. Select your Google account, then click Continue to confirm access. A quick tip, if you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one linked to your BandLab projects to avoid confusion. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click Library. This is where all your projects live. If you have a lot of sessions, the recent view is handy for pulling up what you've been working on most. Click the project you want to edit to open it. Next, click Studio to launch the BandLab Studio workspace. Give it a moment to load. Larger projects may take a few seconds. Inside Studio, find the track whose pitch you want to change. This could be a vocal, a guitar part, a loop, or a sample. Click the track to select it so the editor knows which audio you're adjusting. With the track highlighted, click Editor. This opens the detailed editor panel for the selected track. Now locate the pitch shift controls. You'll see plus and minus buttons that let you move in semitone steps. Click the plus button to raise the pitch, or the minus button to lower it. Make small intentional adjustments and listen after each change. One or two semitones can make a big difference without introducing unwanted artifacts. Press play to preview as you go, and toggle between before and after to judge whether the change supports the song's key and vibe. If the audio starts to sound unnatural, try smaller shifts and make sure your source recording is clean. Pitch shifting works best when the audio isn't overly noisy or time-stretched already. For vocals, subtle moves often sound the most natural. For instruments or samples, think in musical intervals. 3 semitones up gives a minor third, for example. When you like what you're hearing, stop playback and give the project a moment to update. BandLab handles changes in the background, so you can keep working right away or move on to other tracks and repeat the same process. That's all there is to it. Open the project, select the track, open the editor, and adjust with pitch shifts plus and minus controls for precise musical results.